Hello, and welcome to EnglishBoost Academy. Have you always wanted to speak English confidently but didn't know where to begin? Then you are in exactly the right place. Today, English is one of the most useful skills in the world. It helps you get better jobs, travel more comfortably, understand the internet, study from the world's best teachers, and communicate with people from almost every country. Most people think they can't speak English because their grammar isn't perfect. That is not true. Children don't learn grammar first. They learn by listening, repeating speaking, making mistakes, and improving every single day. That is exactly how we're going to learn together. In this course, I won't ask you to memorize hundreds of grammar rules. Instead, I'll help you speak English naturally. Every lesson is designed to be simple, practical, and enjoyable. We'll learn together, practice together, and improve together. This isn't just one video. It is a complete English course. By following the lessons in order, you'll gradually build your confidence. Each lesson builds on the previous one, so you'll always know what to learn next. Imagine this. In the next 90 minutes, you will speak your first English conversation. Not tomorrow, not next month, today. Don't worry if you don't know these yet. By the end of today's lesson, you'll say every one of them confidently. This course only works if you speak. Don't just watch. Repeat every word after me. Even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, practice makes progress. If you make mistakes, congratulations. That means you are learning. Every fluent English speaker has made thousands of mistakes. The only people who never improve are the people who never practice. Let's speak together. Say after me. Hello, how are you? I am fine. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Excellent. That was your very first English conversation. See, you are already speaking English. Now let's begin our exciting journey. Take your notebook. Keep a pen beside you. Speak after with me. Pause the video whenever you need extra time. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Let's start learning English together.